Make I ask you one question. How you dey? No form strong face. How your mind dey today? Make you tell me true. My people, you know well done. My name is Dr. Toyin. Today na World Mental Health Day. E no just be for people when get big wahala. Na for me, na for you, na for everybody. Because mental health matter pass wetin you fit see. If life don't dey choke you, make you rest more. No be say you weak, na say you be wise person. Talk to person when you trust. That small talk fit save your life. Make you do small things, sleep well, make you stretch body, make you drink water, make you show yourself love. Your peace of mind na your power. So today, make you check yourself and check your paddy too. Send your paddy message, guy, how you dey? You no know who you go help as you do that one. Mental health e no cost o, na life itself. So make you take care of your mind every day. If you like this video, abeg share am, make you subscribe to my channel, make you tell 1-2 people. In fact, make you yarn us for comment section wetin you don do to help your mental health today and your mind. And until next time, smile because e dey healthy. Una bye bye.